While even leaders from the southern states who have also alleged that what they have been calling it as Hindi imposition by the centre, the Congress has been taking the same stand, taking on as far as this attack on Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister is concerned, accusing him of promoting linguistic imposition. Congress has claimed that Hindi is being imposed on people and have now accused the Andhra Pradesh leaders of politicizing the language.
महाराष्ट्र में जो भाषा का मुद्दा है उसे विवाद में जानबूझकर राजनीतिक फायदे के लिए लाया जा रहा है, ऐसा कहने के लिए बहुत जगह है। ये विषय बाल मानस शास्त्र का है और शिक्षाविदों का है, जिनका कहना है कि मातृभाषा ही पहली से चौथी कक्षा तक होनी चाहिए और दूसरी एक आध भाषा। अभी तीसरी हिंदी अगर हम इम्पोज करेंगे तो बच्चा भाषाई तौर पर कंफ्यूज हो सकता है और इसीलिए 5वीं स्टैंडर्ड से हिंदी है, 8वीं से थर्ड लैंग्वेज जो है हिंदी है, थर्ड लैंग्वेज फार्मूला ऑलरेडी महाराष्ट्र में, और महाराष्ट्र में लोग बहुत अच्छे से हिंदी भी बोलते हैं। लेकिन चंद्रबाबू नायडू जैसे एक विद्वान राजनीतिज्ञ जिन्होंने मुख्यमंत्री रहे हैं, जो पूरे एनडीए के कन्वीनर भी रह चुके हैं, वो अगर ऐसी बात करते होंगे तो फिर वो इस मुद्दे को उन्होंने ढंग से देखा ही नहीं, ऐसा कहना पड़ेगा।
So setting an example as far as when it comes to the opposition reaction that has been coming in, here is the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister while he was remembering the late former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao, saying that he was an inspiration. He was someone who learned several languages, was in the know of 17 languages, Hindi being one of them. And today is the day when we are actually discussing should we learn Hindi or not. This is how he has supported the language policy.
We are gathered here today to reflect on the life and legacy of one of the greatest sons of Bharat Mata and also Bharat Ratna, our Prime Minister, former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao garu. P.V. Narasimha Rao garu, he was a student leader, a freedom fighter, a scholar fluent in 17 languages. Now we are all talking, why should we learn Hindi? Not only we learned Hindi, he has learned 17 languages. That is how he has become a great man.
Now, as far as praising the late former Prime Minister, and when we speak of the current controversy, the third language in schools, that have now reignited debates over regional pride, cultural autonomy, and also the dangers of centralized linguistic nationalism, where many in the opposition say that Hindi is being imposed on them. Here is the take of actor Ashutosh Rana as well, who has been well versed in the Hindi language, but he has also spoken on this language row that has been taking flip-flops in Maharashtra, where he says that language purpose is for conversation and not for conflict.
देखिए, मेरा अपना ये मानना है कि भाषा जो होती है वो संवाद का विषय होती है, भाषा कभी भी विवाद का विषय नहीं होती। क्या बात है। तो इसलिए भाषा जो है, भाषा को तो हम और आप सब, भारतवर्ष जो है वो इतना परिपक्व और इतना अद्भुत देश है कि जहां पर इसने सारी चीजों को स्वीकार, संवाद में विश्वास रखता है। भारत कभी भी विवाद में विश्वास नहीं रखता।